gonna show you how to customize YouTube channel with the ChatGPT. Now let's go to our YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. So I want to customize it with the ChatGPT to get more view and more subscribers. So let's go to the customization of the YouTube channel. This is I don't want to change the logo or the image, so I just gonna go to channel description. So I want to ask ChatGPT to generate the channel description for my channel. So now let's go to Google and then go to ChatGPT, and they will show about the ChatGPT here. Now I select and then I ask them to please write the YouTube channel description about the driller zoom. Please write the YouTube channel. Please write the YouTube channel description. Please write the SEO of the YouTube channel description, and they will generate here like this. And then you copy it into, the notepad first. Here. After that, you control S and then pass it into the YouTube description, channel description. But now let's see the description. Our overload the word, so we can remove it here. Sorry. And then it's go to OK, and then we publish here. What about the channel keyword? We can also ask the ChatGPT to get the keyword of the channel. Please give me now. Okay. Please give me the SEO of the channel keyword. Now we'll generate for us about here. This one, the channel keyword. This is the channel keyword, so we can copy it and then pass it on the notepad, and then you can put comma. You can put comma. And then you can put comma, and then you copy all of it to pass here. So it is the YouTube keyword here from the ChatGPT. Let's move on to upload description. So you can select and then ask the YouTube to please write me the YouTube video description. Write me the SEO of the YouTube video description about the driller zoom. Then the ChatGPT will give us about the YouTube. Here, this one, about the YouTube video description. So now we copy it and then paste it here. Now everything is okay, and you can also ask the YouTube channel the and you can also ask ChatGPT everything that you don't have, like text keyword or something or other, so you can ask let's go.